Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and tapping on this little icon right next to the brightness slider with an A on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto brightness is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into settings and click on display section right away. Then by tapping on this switcher next to automatic brightness, disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!